This lover ó sọ pa ọ̀rọ̀ Kunle Afod àti ìyàwó ẹ̀. Now, this lover claim that Desola Afod, ìyàwó Kunle Afod, pé ó ní extramarital affairs, blah, 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 blah. Now, let me tell you one thing. I went to Kunle Afod page too, and I can put one or two together. I saw Desola doing some damage control and everything. There is something happening. Yes, we know. But I will advise Desola Afod because I'm.
ẹ̀yin tèmi arábìnrin MAMACITA ó tún ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ arákùnrin Kunle Afod òṣèrékùnrin tí wàá mọ̀ àti ìyàwó rẹ̀ Desola Afod bí wọ́n ṣe tún ṣe gbọ́nmi sí omi òtó nínú relationship wọn. ẹ̀yin yan wa arábìnrin yìí ó sọ opinion rẹ̀ ó tún advice Kunle Afod àti ìyàwó rẹ̀ Desola Afod. ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó sọ.
I'm a woman too, and I see some things. See, as I am like this, let me stand up. Mo jẹ́ to man studying go, and I'm quiet about some things. I will study it from afar, and I will let you know some things. I might not finish my mouth. I might not open my mouth and finish the word or open up once, but I will tell you to let you know that we women know how to pretend. The man is updating due to his pain. He's not saying nothing is happening. Even when he did the video and said it will be fine and things happen, he's trying to pass a message. Men suffer a lot in marriage, but due to the society, men keep quiet. This video might have part 1 and part 2. Sorry, but let's do like this. A lot of men suffer in marriage because at the end of the day, people will always point the accusing finger on the man. But let me tell you, women are very sneaky. Women are very sneaky. See, Kunle Afod is going through some shit and he's pained. And he's going through a lot of things a man can go through and they will not speak. A lot of men are going through that thing, but one is sorrow. Now, he was on his page putting some word, but if you are smart and logical, you will know this guy is going through something. Because on hot, this all you need to change. See, we women, we tend to think because we are making money, we are better. We want to put our mans down. Let me tell you something, baby girl. I don't have issues with you, but I will tell you the fact. You need to curb yourself. You are doing too much. And if you are doing too much and your man is complaining, you need to back it down. I'm not saying you are doing too much because of society. No, you know you are doing too much in that marriage. And this man has been accepting a lot of things because of he love you, because of the love he has for you and things that is happening. This all you need to pipe it low. You are a Leo, I'm a Leo. I know how Leo can be. We are fearless, we are fierce, we are dominant, we egoistic, we have everything. But as a Leo woman, I will tell you I'm very, very, very submissive when it comes to my marriage. No matter how much money I make, because I know it is built in me. I don't let my attributes and my character as a Leo woman affect my relationship. We are proud. We are egoistic. We in fact, we are temperamental. We have everything you can say a crazy woman can have. Especially when we have money, we don't bow for nobody. We are very proud. But when it comes to the man you claim you love, you have to be submissive. See, I'm very submissive. Like, I will turn myself to the lower part for the man I love just to control things not to happen and to make him feel that you are loved and I respect you. But it doesn't mean that I don't know my right when I'm wrong. You know, Leo can be very, very, very calculative. We know ourselves, but girl, pipe it low. Most of Leo are flirty. You might be flirty and it's not liking it. So I'm very flirty. When you see me flirting, you will think I'm Moni Shekushi. I know you might not be doing it. I'm telling you, girl. You might not be even flirting. You might not be even having a marital affairs as claimed. This all about we Leo women are very attractive and we have this inbuilt physique. Even everybody will like us. So you might be liked by men. Men will be chasing you, but you have to use your head. You understand what I'm trying to say? Maybe I should break it down. I will be Leo. A man was attractive. Whether Tini or Dudu or Pupa. We have this charm. We charm men. It's in us. But you as a woman, control it. If your husband is feeling like that men are calling you because of due to your work, let him know you are not doing it. But for some certain reason, you are just going with the flow, and be faithful. You see, Leo woman, if you are not faithful, it will affect you. It affects me when I always date one man at a time. You won't believe it. Because it affects me. I have this good aura. When I mix lies and deceit, it affects my business. It drains me. So I don't want it. Maybe you have not known. Be careful. Dear, be careful. Don't let this thing drain you. Because men, they will say their own. But you as a woman, play smart. Don't let this man feel less of himself because you are making more money now. Remember the times he was there for you. Remember the time he built you. Remember where you are coming from. Don't be ungrateful to the man you claim you love. You have 4 kids. There is no man out there that will welcome you and give you space the way Kunle gave you. Please, my darling. I'll come back because my phone is lagging. I think it's full. Let me come back.